Hey everyone, welcome back to Lifestyle News Network, where we make health simple and fun. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community. Today, we're diving into a super important topic, how to improve your gut health. So let's get started. Let's kick things off by talking about something crucial for your digestive health. One of the most important factors for a healthy gut is fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a smooth and efficient digestive system. Think of fiber as a broom, sweeping through your digestive tract and keeping things moving smoothly. It helps in preventing constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. To get enough fiber, load up on a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods are not only rich in fiber, but also provide other essential nutrients. Think of colorful salads, juicy berries, hearty oatmeal, and delicious lentil soup. Incorporating these into your diet can make a big difference. These fiber-rich foods aren't just good for your gut, they're packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. They can help you feel full longer and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Remember to gradually increase your fiber intake to avoid bloating and gas. Start with small portions and slowly add more fiber-rich foods to your meals. Your gut will thank you for it. Alright, next up, let's talk about probiotics. Probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut, crucial for digestion and a strong immune system. Find them in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Consistency is key, so try incorporating a serving of probiotic-rich foods into your diet daily. Now, let's talk about what to avoid. Processed foods. Processed foods can disrupt your gut microbiome, leading to inflammation and digestive issues. Your gut thrives on real whole foods, while processed foods throw everything off balance. Be mindful of your intake of packaged snacks, sugary drinks, fast food, and pre-made meals. Next up, let's talk about artificial sweeteners. While they promise 0 calories, they can negatively affect your gut health. Research suggests artificial sweeteners can disrupt your gut microbiome, leading to digestive issues and inflammation. Enjoy them in moderation for better gut health. Now, let's talk about alcohol and its effects on your body, particularly your gut health. Excessive alcohol consumption can damage the lining of your gut, leading to inflammation and digestive issues, such as bloating, pain, and discomfort. It can also alter your gut microbiome, throwing off the balance of good and bad bacteria, which is crucial for digestion and overall health. This imbalance can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses, and can also impact your mood, leading to stress and anxiety. Moderation is key to maintaining gut health. Enjoying alcohol in small amounts can be part of a balanced lifestyle without compromising your well-being. Let's move on to staying hydrated. Water helps flush out waste products and keeps things moving smoothly through your digestive system. Aim for 8 glasses of water per day, but adjust based on your activity level and climate. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your gut health. Your gut and brain communicate through the gut-brain axis, and stress hormones can disrupt your gut microbiome. Incorporate stress-reducing practices like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Even a few minutes of mindful relaxation can make a big difference. Prioritize sleep for a healthier gut. Lack of sleep increases cortisol, which can disrupt your gut microbiome. Most adults need around 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. And that's a wrap on improving your gut health. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the importance of gut bacteria to practical tips on how to maintain a balanced diet. I hope you found these tips helpful and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut, and it plays a crucial role in your overall well-being. A happy gut contributes to a healthier you, enhancing not just your physical health, but also your mental clarity and emotional balance. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback and any additional tips you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy, and keep nurturing that gut.